Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is very special video as this is not a regular technical video. As for being an AWS community builder in a containers category, I just received my AWS community builder swags in the box. But this is the bag where it contains all the swags for being an AWS community builder for the first year. So let's unbox this. So firstly, we have this bag. You can see it is made from a recycled plastic bottle. So hats off to AWS. So firstly, we have this welcome card. You can see here AWS Community Builder. Congratulations on making it into our program. So this is my first year for being an AWS Community Builder. Till now, the experience is very good. And thank you so much, AWS Builder Community team. So for being sending this AWS Community Builder swags. And now we have this AWS Community Builder cap. You can see this is the cap that AWS has sent me. So AWS Community Builder. And next we have this sticky notes so I can write my goals and the day-to-day work and stick on the wall so that I can remember my work. Yeah, it is very like lots of sticky notes you can see. I will not open this right now. And next we have this diary and pen for the notes taking and the planning. So I can write whatever I want. So this is the pen for I received with the diary. So this is the diary. You can see whatever I want to write, I can write. AWS Community Builder. Yeah, this is the third swag, I think. So let's put it aside. And the next is this tumbler, whatever you call it. I call it bottle. So all Indian relate to this. So this is the tumbler that I have received. I think we called it as tumbler only. So I am not aware of that. So this is the AWS Community Builder bottle, and this is the straw pipe, and yeah, so I can drink water using this. And inside this, we have some precautions to using this bottle for the first time. So thank you, AWS. And this is the bottle that we have received with the straw pipe, and let's keep it aside. This is the plastic bag we can use for bringing vegetable from market and whatever we want to keep in inside. This is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. So let's keep this also aside. And the lastly, we have received this community builder tag and the sticker. Let's unbox this sticker also. So you can see this all the this is the metal, I would say metal tag. You can put it here and go to events to be recognized as a community builder. And we have this sticker we can put on our laptops and wherever we want. And this is all the sticker for the AWS community builder. This is also the sticker, also it is visible. And this is for the first year for being an AWS community builder. This is the sticker and this is the clothes. So it is made up from the cloth. And yeah, I would say this is very special that we can use in our clothes like this. I have to remove this, and this is what we have to put like this. And yeah, and you can attach this from the inside. So you can put it like this. Yeah. So that's how you can put the community builder tag on your clothes, and the easy step to remove also the same step. Yeah, this all the AWS Community Builder swag that I have received for being an AWS Community Builder. So for the first year, yeah, thank you AWS Community Builder team for sending me this Community Builder swags. So if you also want to become an AWS Community Builder, so you can start contributing through the technical blogs, technical YTA videos, or any videos you create on any platform. You can go to conferences and talk about AWS related services. So the AWS will recognize you from there. So in I think January, there will be the form will going to be open for being an AWS community builder. Right now, you can fill the waitlist form. So AWS will notify you whenever the form is going to accept the responses. So in Jan, they will accept the application. So they will ask for the contribution that you have made, whether the video with the proof. So you have to provide the YT video links, the impression, the likes, the comment that how the AWS video is received that you have made for the AWS, and the blogs, whatever the impression, likes, and the conferences, you have the proof. So you need to fill all those with the links and the complete proof for being an AWS community builder. And probably in first week or the last week of March, they will announce the AWS community builders. So be ready for the next year 2027, so where you can be an AWS community builder, and you can get this AWS community builder swags and the 500 AWS credits to experiment with the AWS services and learn and make things that you can use in your real life or the professional life. So to becoming an AWS community builder is very easy. You have to follow the step that I have provided just below. I will provide all the details in description also. You can follow and be a part of this community. Take this step in your career. If you are a student and a working professional, this will make some personal branding and make you provide an identity that you can share everywhere. Whenever I go to events, people recognize me for being an AWS community builder and being an active on LinkedIn and GitHub. So yeah, this is what we get as an AWS community builder. And also we get the AWS Educate for the free. You can learn whatever you want from the AWS, whatever the training you want to get for the AWS services running. Yeah, that's all for this. And thank you, AWS community, for sending me the swags. And the very special swag that I have received from AWS community, not for as a AWS community builder. It is I have received for winning the AWS weekend challenge. So this is the AWS Builder Jacket that is very special gift for being an AWS community builder. I have didn't received as the AWS community builder, but it is a part of challenge that I won apart from the 50 winners. So AWS has sent me this also from the US. So thank you AWS community. Let's unbox this also. So let's open this. So you can see this AWS Builder Jacket, and yeah, build the future together. So thank you AWS. This is very special gift from the AWS, I would say, apart from all the community builder swags. So I'm waiting for winter season to arrive in India. And yeah, I will just wait for a quick look at this video. So just a second, get ready with me. So this is the AWS Community Builder swag. Just let me wear this. This is not a get ready with me video, please. So you can see this AWS Community Builder jacket. We have chain here. We can put money, pocket money that we get very less in India. So yeah, we have several, we can say, space to keep pens, pencil, whatever the AWS recommend for you to use. Yeah, this is what I received. So from the US, and thanks to AWS for sending this special builder jacket. I'm fighting for another one on Builder Center. So you can also join the AWS Builder Center and take a part of the AWS Builder Challenge. And thanks to Corey and Ben Flower for this and the Paxton Hall for this builder jacket. I really appreciate your effort that you put to the community on a daily basis. So really helpful. Your queries, answering, yeah, your community events, whatever challenge you create, that is very special for the community to learn and grow in this AI world. I would say this is the very special gift from the AWS, apart from all. So I'm not saying anything bad for community builder swag, but this is very special. I have taken a part of the challenge and won this community builder jacket. So I would say that's all. I'm fighting for another one. And if you want to be AWS community builder and want to win this AWS community builder swags, jackets, bottle, and this diaries, sticky notes. So you can also be a part of this. Start creating videos, technical blogs, or talk about AWS on conferences. So these are the in short ways to being an AWS community builder. So this is my first year, so I have selected as creating the technical blogs and this kind of videos, technical videos you can see on my YouTube channel. You can search Amitabh Soni on YouTube. So I will provide the link also. Yeah, these are all the ways to being an AWS community builder and win this exciting swags. And for the first year, I would say, I think 6 months over from the March, and till now the experience was very good. The community is very helpful, and thanks to Corey for sending this and the all AWS team behind it, making the everything possible. The logistic team and the entire AWS community team for sending me this builder jacket and the swags from the United States. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will provide all the details in the description box how you can become an AWS community builder and win this swags. So I'm very excited for the next year. So hope so. I will be the next year AWS community builder. So this is the very, very special cap. I will keep it in the back, and yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you get some insight from this video and I have motivated you. And thanks to AWS community for sending this AWS builder jacket and these swags. Yeah, see you in the next one. Jai Hind. Bye.